Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Star Wars Zero company game crashing, crashes to desktop or crashes at a startup on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to repair the game files. So if you have the game on EA app, then open the EA app. Go to your library, click the three dots on Star Wars Zero company tile and then select repair. And once the repair process get complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And if you have the game on Steam, then right click the game in your library, go to properties, install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I will show you how to do it. If you have the game on EA app, then open the EA app, select the Star Wars Zero game and then click on manage and then click on repair. And once the repair get complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This is just an example. You have to select the Star Wars Zero company game instead of Skid game. And for the Steam users, open Steam, go to library, right click on Star Wars game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And once the verification get complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to turn off in-game overlays. Now overlays frequently conflict with the game's rendering engine, causing stability issues. So if you have the game on EA app, then open the EA app, click on these three dots and then click on settings. Then go to the application tab over here, then scroll down and here we'll see in-game overlay. Just toggle it off and then again click on turn off to confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Star Wars Zero company game, select properties, and here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off. Disable the Discord overlay, so navigate to user settings, game overlay and turn off enable in-game overlay. Disable GeForce experience overlay, so turn off overlays inside their respective settings menu, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to clear launcher cache. So if you have the game on EA app, then open EA app, click on these three dots and then hover the mouse over help and then click on app recovery, and then you will see the clear cache button. Now please take a note over here, you will need to log in after restarting. So when you click on clear cache, it will restart the app and then you have to log into your account and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. For Steam users, click on this word Steam and then go to settings. Go to the downloads tab, scroll down and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache and then click on confirm button to confirm it. It will clear the download cache. This will restart the Steam and you have to log into Steam account again and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to modify game launch options. You can try this minus windowed space minus no border or minus high. I will show you how to do it. So if you have the game on EA app, then open EA app, click on this manage and then click on properties, and here you can see advanced launch options. Here type minus windowed space minus no border and then click on save and then you can close it and then click on play button, launch the game and check. This is just an example you have to do with the Star Wars Zero company game. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Star Wars manage view properties and this time type minus high, save it and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then remove it, save it, close and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Star Wars Zero company game. This is just an example and then click on properties and in the launch options type minus windowed space minus no border, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Star Wars Zero company game properties and this time type minus high, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Star Wars Zero company game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to whitelist the game directory. So you have to whitelist the Star Wars Zero company game folder, the complete folder. So here how to do it. In Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Scroll down and here you will see exclusion option, add or remove exclusion. Click on add or remove exclusion, click yes to allow click on add an exclusion and then select folder and then browse to the game installation folder. And you have to select the complete game folder and then click on select folder. This is just an example. You have to select Star Wars Zero Company game folder and then click on select folder, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game, whether you have installed the game on Steam or eApp. So go to the game installation folder, then right click on the Star Wars Zero Company exe file, that is SW Zero Company exe file, and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Star Wars Zero Company exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to update your graphics card driver. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download option. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install the DirectX end user runtime web installer. So go to this website. This is again Microsoft official website, and once you're on this Microsoft website, here you will see DirectX end user runtime web installer. So click on download button and then run this dxwebsetup.exe file and then install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to lower down graphics settings if you are able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game and get to the menu of the game, then lower down the graphics settings from high to medium or low, and then play the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razor Snaps or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them and then just restart your PC once again. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Star Wars Zero Company game, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix the Star Wars Zero Company game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.